Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to implement a message queue in Magento 2. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. First, we will need to create a module. I have already created a module named Message Queue. In this, we will first need to create an etc folder, and inside the etc folder, we will need to create files related to the message queue. These files are communication.xml, consumer.xml, queue_publisher.xml, and queue_topology.xml. Let's see the contents of these files. In communication.xml, we have mentioned the topic name and handler. In consumer.xml, we have mentioned the consumer name, queue, and consumer instance. Similarly, in publisher.xml, we have mentioned the publisher name and its exchange, and lastly, in topology.xml, we have mentioned its binding with the destination. In this method, it will receive a message that is coming from the queue and process the message accordingly. And to publish the message to the message queue, I have created an events.xml file to observe the event catalog, save, commit after, and added an observer for that. In this observer, what we are doing is publishing the ID and SKU to the message queue. Once this message is published, it will be received by our consumer, which we have created here. This consumer will receive the published message in its process method. The message is in string form, so it will unserialize it to convert it into a usable format. Then it will get the ID and SKU and save this data in the database table. This data will be shown on the front end, including the product ID, SKU, and the time at which the product is saved. After creating all these files, we need to run the compile command. Then we will start the consumer. To start the consumer, we will run the command. After running the compile command, we will check if our consumer is listed in the consumer list or not. To check that, we will run the command. As we can see, our consumer has been listed here, so now we will start with this consumer. Now that our consumer has started, it is ready to consume the messages coming from the queue. So we will test this functionality by saving a product from the admin. Now just save the product. The product ID is 2 and its SKU is testproduct001. Let's see if it is there or not. As we can see, it has been consumed and is shown here, so our functionality is working. Thank you so much. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.